Woo, yo. Alright, I'm back. I'm in the house, watching little Taylor Ray. That's not the point. I'm gonna show you how to roll your fenders on a 940, a 240, 244, all the Volvos that are rear wheel drive. You with me? Rear wheel drive, okay? So, let's go. Alright, so none of that part's over. Y'all see? The lip, the edge, the dust. Okay? So, y'all get that. Get this camera gonna get dirty in life. Doing car stuff. Alright, so I got two hammers. I got this one, which is like a soft brass hammer. And have this, which is like a 3-pound hammer. I don't know if y'all can read that. Probably not. Anyway, it's a 3-pound hammer. 2-pound because that way less than 2, and I've used it before too. So, oh Lord. Let's pray for a second and get to it. Here we go. Be sure to make sure there's no pieces of rock, pebble, or like tar, like I just snapped off right there. And just take your time. This is the best idea, I'm telling you, because this is not even a round circle. So trying to roll it is probably not a good idea. People, I mean, it works circular when you're rolling it, you know what I'm saying? Circular. This ain't circular. This is like more like a square or a rectangle. So, with that being said, a hammer tends to work better. I would suggest using this heat gun, but it's pretty much summertime in the South, and my car is pretty warm anyway. So, I get back to work.